It was freezing. Temperature was less than 0 degree. During patrolling, a troop of soldiers was passing through a mountainous path. Their commander was also with them. Way became difficult and dark. Soldiers started to feel tired and difficult to continue walking down that path. Then, just a little ahead, they saw a tea shop. Upon reaching there, they saw that it was closed. Soldiers looked at their commander with tired eyes. Commander understood that everyone wants to rest, and hence ordered that they will rest there for some time. Everyone sat there. Just then one of them said, "If we could get a cup of tea in this cold, we could feel a little relief." Commander understood that soldiers wanted to drink tea and said, "But the shop is closed. How can we drink tea?" At this, one of the soldiers said, "Sir, let's break the lock. After all, we protect these people. One cup of tea, at least this is all right. After all, it's not like we are here to steal from that shop. We just want to drink a cup of tea." Saying this, soldier broke the lock and everyone drank tea, ate biscuits and continued their patrolling. But before leaving, Commander left 2 notes of ₹500 on the table of that tea shop. When in the morning, shopkeeper discovered that the lock was broken, he cried and said, "Oh God, my child is sick. I don't even have money for his treatment, and now my shop got robbed." He then went inside, nervous, and saw that all the stuff was there except for some biscuit packets. Worried as he sat on table, he saw 2 500 rupee notes on the table. Seeing the money, he jumped with joy. Next day, when troops returned by same road, they stopped at the same tea shop to drink tea. Shopkeeper gave them tea while singing a song. Soldiers thought, "We had a great feast at this stall at night, and yet he is looking so happy as if nothing happened." Thinking this, one of them asked, "You seem very happy. What's the matter?" Shopkeeper said with a laugh, "What can I tell, sir? Last night, God came to my shop." Hearing this, everybody's eyes were fixed on shopkeeper. With great surprise, soldier asked, "God?" Shopkeeper replied, "Yes, God. My son was ill for some days, and I did not have any money to pay for his treatment. Even after trying hard, I was not able to arrange money from anywhere. So at last, I decided to sell my shop and use that money for my son's treatment. But in the morning, when I came to the shop, I was shocked to see broken lock of my shop. I got worried and thought my shop was robbed. Now how will I be able to pay for my son's treatment?" But then, when I went inside, I saw 2 500 rupee notes. That's when I realized that God had come to my shop, drank tea, ate biscuits, and left 2 500 rupee notes on the table because he knew that I needed only 1,000 rupees for my son's treatment. After hearing this, soldiers understood everything, and their respect for their commander grew even more. You see, sometimes even a small help from our side can bring a big change in others' life. We may not be able to feel that, but whenever someone is helped, that person will always keep you in his prayers and will always be thankful to you for your help. God Himself does not come to help everyone, but gives responsibility to His beloved people. And that is why Wherever there is opportunity, put your hand forward to help others. Thank you for watching. This is Positive Splash, spreading peace and positivity.